Welcome back to my channel, Pretty Inspired Decor, Christmas 2018. This is part 2, how I decorate my bookshelves for Christmas. A number of years ago, when we finished this space, I asked my husband to custom build these bookshelves for me. He kind of looked at me oddly and I said, I know exactly what I want. I need them to be very, very deep so that they can both hold books. I was an English teacher, so I needed to hold a whole lot of books. And I wanted to be able to decorate in front of all of those books and not take all of my books down for a variety of seasons. So I'm going to start in the corner. Now what my husband and I do is we decorate this entire space as though it was decorated with the eye of a child in mind. We've done that for years, even before we had grandchildren. We just thought it was so much fun. You'll notice that what I love to do is I love to decorate with Christmas books that were written for children. And so they adorn a number of the shelves. You'll notice that I have Christmas plates and I have fun elves and I have beautiful Santas that adorn that corner. Above the bathroom door, actually, and I know that sounds funny, my husband actually made that small space above the door for that Santa's marching band. That thing is so much fun. I've had it for a number of years. And of course, what goes with it? Santa Define Good. We turn that thing on, it plays a little music, it's a lot of fun. And of course, our little grandson, Tennyson, this will be the first year he'll probably remember what it's all about. He'll love it, I know. Also, when you take a look at the rest of the shelves, you'll notice I like to hang our stockings in a variety of levels. I have stockings hung high. I have stockings hung low on the bottom of the cupboard doors. You don't have to have a mantle to put stockings. You can put stockings wherever you want them to go. You'll notice above the television, I have a beautiful handmade Christmas book that my dad's wife Pam made for me. She's made some of the best things I have. A lot of them have come from her that she's handmade for me. And beside that, I adorn that with some more books. Below the television, I just put little peeky things, a cute little picture of my two little nieces with Santa. Beside that, we have some more stockings. I decorate with tin cookie jars. That's what the Winnie the Pooh cookie jars are all about. Notice, or cookie tins, not jars. Look how much fun they are. And then, of course, with some really pretty stocking holders. Pam made that incredible advent calendar. She's actually made me a couple. The other one will be up in our living room. I can't tell you how much I love these pieces. They're so beautifully, so well made. She, of course, has far more talent than I mean, this woman can make incredible things. And, you know, she needs to be recognized because they're so beautiful and we cherish everything that she has made for us. Underneath that is a beautiful, absolutely incredible scene that we love. Again, that particular scene is from my father and from Pam. It's another cherished gift. And, you know, I mean, really, can you find a more beautiful creche in your life? We absolutely adore that creche. I have a number of creches in my home, but that certainly is one of my favorite. And again, when my husband was finishing this space, my dad and Pam sent that to us, and they asked us to open it before Christmas, and we did. And I said to Harold, you have to build a space for that to fit in, because we love that nativity scene so much. Beside that, we have, again, some more shelves. And you'll notice over the years, I have another friend out west who made a number of things for us. She's a sewer, and she made that little teddy bear. She made the little rocking horse and the little doll. And so of course, all of that fills those shelves. And again, notice I use Christmas books because they just look so pretty and so much fun in a Christmas space. So when you are decorating your spaces for Christmas, think of what you already have. My guess is some of you may have books that your children maybe are reading now, and you can just pop them off the shelves. Use them for Christmas decor. You don't have to have everything that matches. You'll notice I have a whole raft of different things in these shelves. And they all work together because, of course, they're all Christmas. And I think they all work together because it's all part of what we call, again, a Christmas area for children. We want everyone who comes down here to feel like they are in a children's Christmas winter wonderland and really to enjoy this space. Well, as I said in my first video, this particular series is dedicated to my dear friend Melissa, who I miss dearly. Melissa, I know how much you loved this family room and how much you enjoyed being down here. You know, when we would have our little chats or when we'd eat cookies. I do bake cookies, not that they're great, but you know, they're edible. But she really liked my sugar cookies and she really liked my shortbread. And we'd come down here and we'd have a cup of tea and we'd laugh, or sometimes we'd have a glass of wine and we'd laugh, and she'd say, boy, I love this space. And she felt so relaxed, as do my husband and as do I, in this space for Christmas. So until we see each other again, remember, I'm going to have several parts to my Christmas series, and I hope you come back and watch them all. If you have not already done so, please subscribe. Also hit the notification button, which is the little bell, which will tell you when more videos are coming. And hit the thumbs up button. Tell me that you like it because it makes me feel good. And also, if you want to leave me a comment, I'd love to respond to your comment. Anyway, until next time, bye-bye. We'll see you again.